Hi everyone, I'm Joel Joseph and today I'll be talking on how to edit the WooCommerce category page. Before we get in, please do subscribe to our channel to receive more similar videos regarding WooCommerce. So, setting up of categories for our products in our store is important as it helps the customers to easily navigate through the store and find their desired product easily. So here now I'll tell you how to edit the WooCommerce category page, and to do so, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click onto the appearance and customize. And once you have done, you'll be directed to a page where you can customize the category page of your store. And to do so, go to the WooCommerce and click onto the product catalog. And once you have done here, you will be given a list of options where you can edit the category page. And here you have an option where how your store should be displayed, whether only the categories should be displayed or the both the categories as well as the products. And once you have done these changes, you can click on to publish so that the changes would be applied to your store. And you have other further options too where you can customize the appearance of how these tabs should be in your store, like you can set it on which side these tabs should be placed, whether on the left side or either the right side as well. And here are the other few options on how many number of products should be displayed in a single page. Like you have an option to keep the desired number of products that you want in a single page. And once you have done it, click on to publish so that these changes will be applied to your store. Likewise, you can also edit the product category, and to do so, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click onto the products and categories. And once you have done it, you will be shown the entire list of categories that your product have in your store. And and to edit the category, you can select the category that you want to edit. And once you have done, you can edit the category name, the slug, the parent category, and as well as you can edit the description and the thumbnail. And once you have done all the changes that you want, don't forget to click onto the update so that the changes would be applied to your store. So I hope this video was quite helpful and informative, and subscribe if you want more similar videos related to WooCommerce. Thank you.